Mommy, oh, sister, oh, auntie, oh, where you not day? Today I'm going to teach you how to make liquid soap made easy. Liquid soap made easy. You don't need to bite your tongue again in the market saying, I need sulfuric, I need tetra, I need all the chemicals you can mention. Liquid soap made easy. Oh. Now you can make liquid soap in your house. Me before, every time small thing my liquid soap has finished, I kept on buying. But since I learned this method, I know they buy again. No, I don't buy liquid soap from market again. I make my own. I use it to wash my dishes, use it to wash my plates, even use it to mop the house. Liquid soap made easy for you mommy, you daddy. If you know that you want your house to always be neat, this is how to make your liquid soap. Liquid soap made easy. Now let me explain to you. The first bath, the one that is black, is number one. If you just get to the market, you go to where they sell chemicals. You tell them you want to buy liquid soap. Just tell them you want liquid soap. They ask you how many liters. You choose how many liters you want to make. They always have 20 liters and 10 liters. Then you pay and they will package it for you. And when they are packaging, ask them to number it. Once they number it, now liquid soap made easy you are going to make in your house. Hey, I don't get the solution for you. No more looking for soap anywhere. Now you can wash your plates without problem. See, the first bath is number one. They will just number it 1 to 11. They will number it for you 1 to 11. And some numbers, there will be 2 inside. You just make your liquid soap for house, so your own you don't finish them. Hey, liquid soap made easy. Oh. This is what I'm teaching you now. The black bath is number 1. The black bath is number 1. And this one is number 2. This is number 2. Number 2 and 3 is this one. This is number 6. The ones you are going to soak is what I'm telling you. This one is number 6. And this one number 7 and 8. These are the ones you will soak. Other ones, you don't need to soak them. As you just they make, you just they come out them. You just they make, they go. So this number 1, how to mix it. You have to mix it to look like pap. The first time you put the chemical inside the water, use 10 liters of water to start. Once you put your 10 liters, because this one I'm making is 10 liters, you put your 10 liters of water inside a bigger bath. Don't use small bath. Oh. After putting your 10 liters, you start stirring it. Stir it for a long time so that it will look like pap. As you can see now, it's looking like pap. It's now looking like pap. As you can see, it's looking like pap. And then this is number 2 and 3 mixed together and kept for them to dissolve. This is number 6 and this is number 7 and 8. Now I'm going to show you other numbers so that it will be easy for you to make. Liquid soap made easy, don't land though. So this one I'm showing you now is number 5. Number 5. When you're buying this number 5, tell them to put extra. If you want it to foam very well, they will put extra for you. This is number 5. We are still on liquid soap made easy. Just watch out how we are going to make this liquid soap. Then the next one. This one is number 4. All those ones in the liquid I want to show you. This is number 4. You know I told you I have number 2 and 3 here. I have number 6. I have number 7 and 8. The ones that are not liquid, you soak them and mix them to dissolve. So that when they dissolve well, they can give you what you want. Then the next one, I have my color here. This is my color, number 10. Then my number 9 is the perfume I'm going to use. This is number 11. This one is usually for preservation, to make it not to smell when it stays for a long time. You see, now you can make the one that can stay for 6 months, 3 months, and so on. So Let me show you the perfume. I'm using lavender perfume for my own liquid soap, and my color is green. So this is my number 9. As you can see, just tell them to number it and you don't make your liquid soap for house. See my number 9 here now. So this is my perfume. I'm using lavender. You see, it's not much because I don't want it to be too much, because I use it to wash my plate. If you want, you can remove perfume totally, or you remove color totally. It depends on what you're using it to wash. This is my perfume, and these are other things. Now I'm going to start mixing. You watch me as I mix them. As I have explained, I'm going to start pouring because all the powdered one have dissolved. Liquid soap made easy. My mommy and daddy, come make your liquid soap at home. Yeah? So it's time for me to start mixing. As I said, this is number 1. This one is number 1. This one number 2 and 3. This one is number 6. This one is number 7 and 8. And my number 4 is there. So I'm going to mix my number 2 and 3. With this cup. So I rinse it and I don't number 2 and 3, then number 4. This is my number 4. I'm going to mix number 4. Wait. Hold on. Fine. Point it. Just stretch your arm. Just stretch. Right. Well, mix this one. to number 5. After. Give me what after. Susan. Want to? Now give me water with that cup again. Then number 6. Yum, yum, yum. Number 6. Wait, let me finish. Seven, 8, and 8 is this. Yum that container. Come. Yum that container. Because I mentioned I do soon I will finish. So a number with perfume. Number 9. Number 10. Number 10. I want to dissolve it. Wait though. Chinema, don't go. It's not videoing.
You see?
Huh?
I'm seeing it.
Don't touch it. Are you seeing this color?
Yes.
Okay. These are the color. Don't go put it.
I'm going to do that for you.
No, wait. Some of the red one. Yeah, let's start turning. Let me not talk. Just now. Just now. Just 5 minutes, I'll finish making my own liquid soup. You know? So that I'll start washing my dishes. Just now. So, liquid soap is not easy to make at home. Thank you all for watching. Bye. If you after making, you cannot package it and sell or keep for your home use. So after making it, I normally pour my own in a 20 liters gallon. So as you are watching me now, let me pour it in the 20 liters gallon so that you see how I used to pour it. Why are you doing like this now? And don't match that thing when you are coming out. Keep it on the chair now. You. Just bring out the gallon. Okay, keep it that place. You pour that soup. take it easy and come out. Or you stay there. Don't match the soap, bro. Here, ma'am, now, editing now, it's too much. They don't. Now it's time for me to pour it in my 25 liters gallon. It will not reach 25 liters because what I made is 10 liters. And I poured plenty water because I'm not selling it. I just want to be used. It's for home use. So I made it not to be too thick so that I can use it for a long time at home. So now watch how I store it in my gallon. From this gallon, I will now be fetching for washing plates, washing clothes, washing, mopping the house and cleaning all the things around. You know what, this thing you put on the floor. Is this thing? I don't see the ground.
See.
What to? Don't put it on the tissue there. This is what you come and saying. It's in the toilet. Up.